G'day guys. I haven't uploaded a video for a while because I've been working on my new project, which is a custom hardtail bobber. I've always wanted to build one of these, and this is the first time I've built a bike from the frame up. I purchased it as a half-finished project, and it's been engineered now, licensed, and I'm going to change a few things. This is a sneak peek, I guess, of it look in its raw form. So this series will be me starting with the frame and getting all bits and pieces painted and fabricated and bolted together. So hopefully you can follow along if you're into motorbikes. And yeah, I'll just be building it all up. It's a 100 cube Ultima motor, which is a copy of the Harley Davidson Evolution motor with different, like it's got forged internals and that. Custom guards, bobber seat with a bit of a unique spring system on it. Inverted front end, pull back T-bars. That's it. I'll next episode I'll be starting with the frame, and hopefully follow along. Please subscribe.